Welcome, adventurers and nature lovers. Today, we're embarking on a breathtaking journey through the North Georgia mountains to uncover the splendor of Dukes Creek Falls. Nestled in the heart of Georgia's wilderness, this hiking destination promises an unforgettable experience for all who tread its paths. Our adventure begins on a well-maintained trail that winds through a vibrant forest. As we trek, the sounds of the city fade, replaced by the serene whispers of nature. The trail, perfect for all skill levels, offers an invigorating yet accessible challenge. The true highlight of our hike is the majestic Dukes Creek Falls. As we approach, the sound of cascading water crescendos, leading us to the stunning multi-tiered waterfall. Here, water dances down the rocks, creating a mesmerizing natural symphony. The viewing platform offers a spectacular vantage point to soak in the beauty and snap some awe-inspiring photos. Keep your eyes peeled for the diverse wildlife and lush vegetation. From vibrant wildflowers to towering trees, the area is a haven for biodiversity. It's not just a hike, it's a journey through a living, breathing ecosystem. For the photography enthusiasts, Dukes Creek Falls offers a plethora of opportunities. Whether it's the sun peeking through the trees or the water's graceful fall, every moment is a chance to capture nature's artistry. This hike is perfect for families. With its easy-to-navigate path and the reward of the falls, it's an ideal way to introduce children to the joys of hiking and the wonders of nature. As we conclude our hike, we leave with more than just memories. We leave with a renewed sense of connection to the natural world. Dukes Creek Falls isn't just a destination, it's an experience, a reminder of the beauty and serenity that nature holds.